one of my favourite cut flowers, and every time you look at it, it makes you happy. Yes, it's Mr Daffodil. He's not fragrant, unfortunately, like his other cousins, like the early cheers and the paper whites. But for the ones who are suffering hay fever, this is certainly the cut flower to have around. It does have a nickname, Lent Lily or Narcissus. I don't really like that name, Narcissist, without the T, that is. Met a few in my lifetime, don't like them. Now it is a bulbous cut flower, so the bulb looks a bit like an onion, the ones that make you cry, well they certainly make me cry. Now it does come with a message. It is a cut flower that is the chief of communication. So if you are suffering some sort of miscommunication with somebody, gift them daffodil. Now, have you heard of Daffodil Day? It's because it represents Mr Daffodil. And speaking of Mr Daffodil, the tip for him is that when you receive them, the first thing that you need to do, and we all know this, but I'm here to remind you, is that you need to cut them flush because they're men. But you are not allowed to mix it with another cut flower. For example, an iris. So if I cut the iris as well, because it's also male, and if I wanted to put them together, because now they're both bleeding, that is a big no-no to put them into water together. So what do you do? With Mr Daffodil, once he's cut, he's only allowed to be by himself as he starts to heal the wound. The following day, because the wound is healed, which is the stem, the following day you can mix it with the other cut flowers and it's okay. But if you don't do that and you're mixing Mr Daffodil straight away with another cut flower and you're putting them together, that sap that is going to be oozing out of the stem becomes poisonous to the other cut flowers, believe it or not. And the birth month flower of Mr Daffodil is March. So if you know anybody born in the month of March, Mr Daffodil is certainly the cut flower to give them. On that note, blossoms, it's a wrap.